My name is Dr. Catherine Walsh and I'm a lecturer in astrophysics at the University of Leeds. One question that I'm often asked is, are we alone? Is there life out there in the galaxy or even beyond? And we can consider this question by looking at some numbers. So here you'll see an artist's impression of the Milky Way and along with our sun. And there are around 250 billion stars in the Milky Way, 99.9% of which are sufficiently cool to host a planetary system. Now, we know from exoplanet detection statistics that on average we have one planet for every star. So you can see that there's a whole lot of planets in our galaxy alone. Now, there's a team of very diligent astronomers who are using radio telescopes to search nearby star systems for signs of extraterrestrial life. In a recent update where they surveyed 1,300 stars, unfortunately, no signs of life were found. But again, we can look at some numbers. This number of stars is only 0.0000005% of the total number of stars in the Milky Way. So we haven't even scratched the surface. So here you can see a map of all of the stars that lie within 250 light years of our solar system. And this amounts to around 250,000 stars. Now, we have been broadcasting radio waves out into space for on the order of around 100 years. So we are visible, technically, to civilizations that lie within this bubble, but invisible to civilizations that lie outside of this bubble. So what we can do is ask the question, have we found any potentially habitable planets within this bubble and to which we are potentially visible? And the answer to that question is yes, indeed, we have. We have found no fewer than 16 potentially habitable planets. Now, if we extrapolate those numbers throughout the Milky Way, that amounts to 250 million potentially habitable planets in our galaxy alone. So what I want you to do is think about these numbers, extrapolate them through the universe, and ponder for yourself the question, are we alone?